So today I have my OVENTE electric griddle, and I went ahead and took this out of the box for you guys. Now this thing is amazing. It already has the non-stick aspect to it here. It has a grease channel, also a drip tray and temperature control probe, which is right over here, and all of this is included. I mean, this thing is so versatile. You can make anything from breakfast, lunch, till dinner. To give you guys a couple of ideas of what you're able to make, you can make pancakes, you can make eggs, you can make potatoes, pork chops, chicken. I mean, the list goes on and on. And again, the fact that it has that non-stick coating makes for easy cleanup and just the compact mess overall. You can make several different things at once. Let me actually show you guys the front of this box here so you can kind of have an idea. See how on there they got some pancakes, some eggs, and some veggies. I mean, this thing is absolutely amazing. Have no complaints, and I would highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.